FactoryTalk Quality includes an HTML5 web client that guides and helps operators to execute quality plans effectively and efficiently. Let's look at an example quality recipe. Our example recipe performs quality checks on operator terminal units and has a sample plan called Operator Terminal Test that performs 3 checks: CPU alignment, CPU temperature, and screen light bleed. This sample plan is configured to trigger based on a PLC tag that represents a machine or process condition, for example, a certain number of operator terminals manufactured. Now, let's see how an operator would execute this quality recipe plan. From the home window of the execution client, we go to the main sample plans window. We can see that only one sample plan was completed so far. Let's return to the home screen. Now, because we've reached a certain number of units produced, the system automatically creates a new sample plan. The operator would see a new notification on the header of the client. To perform the quality checks on the plan, we would click the notification icon and then double-click the recently created sample plan. This takes us to the window where we can perform the quality checks. As a side note, if we were using a mobile device, the application content would be automatically adapted to the terminal size. The CPU alignment check logs the data automatically from the PLC. The result of this check is pass because value 2 is within limits. The CPU temperature check logs the data when we click the read button. The result of this check is fail because value 67 is outside limits. The screen light bleed check waits for us to select the image which best represents the unit being inspected. Select the acceptable image. In this window, there are several buttons that allow us to save the data we've entered: complete, cancel, postpone, and reopen the plan. Click Save, Complete, and then Summary to return to the main sample plans window. Here we can see that a second plan with the state Failed is now in our list.